Here's what I've learned over the last 15 years. Most business owners never become systems engineers because they're too busy operating inside of the chaos. And I know this firsthand because that was me for over 15 years. Solving problems, putting out fires, answering messages, handling everything myself because of my mindset. But over the last several months, something has shifted. And what I've found was profound. The difference between being an operator working in a business and a systems engineer working on a business, it's not intelligence, it's perspective because operators solve problems today. Systems engineers, they solve problems permanently. So this was the mindset that had to shift, not only for me, but also for all of our client organizations. Every time something breaks within the business, instead of asking, how do I fix it? Now what I do is I ask, how do I build a system so it never breaks again? That's one question that I apply to everything that I do on a daily basis. And it's changed everything because AI started to teach me how to think differently, not just execute faster, but engineer a better business. And so what I did is I started to create frameworks so that not only would it be easy for me to execute on them, but I could train my team. The first one was CADE, clarity, alignment, direction, and execution. First, I get clarity. What outcome am I actually trying to achieve? Then alignment. What resources do I already have available to me? Technology, people, data, capital. Then direction. What's the shortest path between where I'm at today and where I want to go? Because direction is more important to speed. If you've been following me for any amount of time, you realize that I talk about that all the time. And finally, execution. That's where AI becomes leverage. Now, once I have that clarity, alignment, and direction, I load everything into AI. It doesn't matter, Claude, GPT, Gemini, Notebook, LLM. It doesn't matter what model you're utilizing, although there are some that are better than others. And I talk about that in another video. But instead, what I do is I ask AI, instead of doing a random task, I ask it how to engineer a system, execute plans, automations, workflow, SOPs, delegation maps. And then I have AI teach me how to build those systems into agents. That's the shift. AI isn't replacing operators. It's training a new generation of systems engineers. And here's the principle that I've learned over the last several months. Working harder doesn't create freedom. Systems create freedom, and systems create margin. That's how you buy back your time. And if you want to learn how to move from a operator to a systems engineer, comment web class on this video. I'll send you access to an upcoming free web